Hi, welcome to Calc with Cola. So today we're going to talk about something that's really difficult in BC Calc called Lagrange error. So we have here a third degree Taylor polynomial, and we're going to use Lagrange error bound to show that the third degree Taylor polynomial about x equals 2 approximates x equals 1.9 with error less than 3 times 10 to the negative 4. Okay, so first we need to discuss what error means and the formula. So when you have error here in using a series to approximate a function, the error is going to be the absolute value, because error is positive, of the function at 1.9, so the true value, minus the polynomial value at 1.9. And it's going to be less than or equal to m over n plus 1 factorial, absolute value of b minus a to the n plus 1, and that's all in an absolute value. So we got a lot of variables going on here. We're going to define what everything means. So n is the degree of the polynomial that you use to approximate. So in this case, n would be 3. A is what we are centered at. So in this case, a would be 2. B is the decimal we are approximating. So that would be 1.9. And then m is the value of the n plus 1 derivative. Okay? So not the n plus 1 derivative, the value of the n plus 1 derivative. So in this case, if n was 3, we need to find the value of the 3 plus 1 derivative, also known as the value of the fourth derivative. So let's go on up here and start writing down what all the different variables means. So a is 2, we're centered at 2. B is 1.9, that's my decimal. N is going to be 3. And then m is the maximum, so the value of the fourth derivative. Okay, so we would need to be given information about the fourth derivative in order to answer this, which for this particular question we are. We're given that the value of the fourth derivative is 584 over 9. So 584 over 9 is going to be equal to m. Once we know all this, we can go ahead and start plugging everything in. So the error is going to be less than or equal to, let's start plugging in, 584 over 9 all over 4 factorial, absolute value b 1.9 minus a 2, absolute value, to the fourth power. So we would go ahead and use a calculator to figure out what that is, and that does in fact it is less than 3 times 10 to the negative 4. So on the AP exam, you're going to want to write the inequality less than or equal to 3 times 10 to the negative 4, and we just found the maximum value of the error for using 1.9.